हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बॅक टू माय चॅनल मस्के सर. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, माझ्या चॅनलवर तुमचं सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे. सो इन टुडेज व्हिडिओ वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न वॉर्मिंग अप ॲक्टिव्हिटीज, इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप अँड ॲक्टिव्हिटीज फ्रॉम लँग्वेज स्टडी सेक्शन ऑफ द 10th class lesson, a lesson in life from a beggar by a renowned writer Sudha Murthy. So let's get started. So begin with warming up activities, which includes chit chat, make small groups and share a piece of advice that stopped a bad habits in you. की एखादा सल्ला की ज्यामुळे तुमच्यातल्या काही वाईट सवयी काय केल्या, थांबवल्या. So you are free to write your own answers. Bad company will spoil your life and future. The advice given by my father had stopped me to stay away from some of my bad friends. A quote proverb that you love to use often. Dream is not that you see in sleep. Dream is the thing that doesn't let you sleep. Is a quote said by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, former president of India. So I use often. An experience that taught you a lifelong lesson. असा तुमचा एखादा अनुभव की ज्याने तुम्हाला तुमच्या जीवनभराचा धडा शिकवला. Taking my meal on time is a very difficult task for me, as I was very careless about it. I was often late, careless about my meal, and totally neglected the right timing of the meal for a long time. Because of irregular timing of the meal, I got some serious problem with my health. I often suffered a great stomachache. When I went to my family doctor, he advised me to take my meal on time. I realized my mistake and started to take my meal on time. After a few months, I experienced the difference in my health. A story, news, episode, movie, play that has impressed you and changed you. असा एखादा मूवी असेल, सिरियल असेल किंवा स्टोरी असेल की ज्याच्यामुळे तुम्ही खूप प्रभावित झाल्या किंवा तुम्ही पूर्णतः बदलल्या. I was really impressed with the movie Three Idiots. I like how the movie showed that one should follow his or her heart and do what he loves. The movie showed that only when one tries to do what he wants can one achieve success. Children are often pressurized into choosing a certain course or opting for a particular degree. But I think if we want to be truly successful in life, then we need to find out what we excel and choose to follow it. That movie changed my attitude. I now try to focus on something that I am at good at rather than trying to be the best in each field. The movie taught me an important lesson of finding my passion, having the courage to pursue it, and ultimately excelling at it. Many slang expressions, terms are used for people having positive or negatives. Match the expressions in column B with a type of person in column B. वाक्प्रचार आहेत आणि त्या प्रकारच्या व्यक्तीसोबत आपल्याला दोघांचं काय करायचं, या ठिकाणी मॅचिंग करायचं. कॉलम ए मध्ये आपल्याला एक्सप्रेशन्स वाक्प्रचार दिलेले आहेत आणि कॉलम बी मध्ये अ टाइप ऑफ पर्सन. काउच पोटॅटो मीन्स लेझी, गुड फॉर नथिंग, अतिशय आळशी व्यक्ती. वरी वॉट, ऑलवेज नर्वस, वर्ड, सतत चिंताग्रस्त असणारा. फड्डी डड्डी, ओल्ड फॅशन, रिफ्युजेस चेंज, की अगदी जुन्या काळामध्ये रमणारा किंवा नवीन बदलानुसार स्वतःला न बदलणार. वेट ब्लँकेट, स्पॉइल्स अदर पीपल्स फन मूड, असा व्यक्ती की जो इतरांच्या मूड काय करतो, खराब करतो. विच ब्रिलियंट जीनियस, अतिशय हुशार. ब्लॅकस्ट्रीप अ सिम्पल पर्सन. लाईव्ह वेअर व्हेरी एनर्जेटिक, ॲक्टिव्ह, खूपच ॲक्टिव्ह असणार. Discuss with your group and write the difference in reactions of an optimist and pessimist. Optimist आणि pessimist या दोन्हीतला डिफरन्स आपल्याला या ठिकाणी लिहायचा आहे. So here the table is given. Failures in exams. The reactions of the optimist. I will try my best in next exam. The reaction of pessimist person. Enough. It is not possible for me to pass the exam. Lose a good amount of cash, no problem, bad luck. How unlucky I am. Unexpected rainfall, bad weather. की अचानक आलेल्या पाऊस किंवा खराब वातावरणामध्ये एका ऑप्टिमिस्टची काय असेल रिॲक्शन? नो प्रॉब्लेम, लेट्स एन्जॉय द रेन. बट व्हॉट विल अ पेसिमिस्ट सेड? ओ शिट, दिस रेन अगेन. इलनेस, I will be healthy as early as possible. So the pessimist, it is the end of my life, I will die. Extra classes in school, it's nice to learn something new. It is a waste of time and so boring. Margin questions. Who is Meena? Meena is a good friend of the writer. What was Meena's nature like? Meena was always pessimistic. She had never positive to say on any subject or any person. She was forever unhappy. What is meant by she never had anything positive to say? It meant that her thoughts and actions had always been negative. Describe the location in Mumbai where the writer spotted Meena. मुंबईमध्ये जे लोकेशन आपल्याला ठिकाणी डिस्क्राईब करायचे आहे, ज्या ठिकाणी लेखिकेने मीनाला पाहिलं, तर इट वॉज बॉम्बेज फ्लोरा फाउंटेन वेअर द नरेटर वॉज कॉट इन रेन. द रेन वॉज pouring and the writer didn't have an umbrella. She was standing near Akbar Ali's, a popular department store, waiting for the rain to subside. What is the difference between an optimistic person and a pessimistic person? आशावादी आणि निराशावादी. According to me, an optimistic person enjoys each and every moment. He is confident and always hopeful in himself, herself, and always believes that she can overcome the difficulties that she may face in her life. On the other hand, a pessimistic person always thinks negatively. He always feel defeated and depressed. Such persons are never hopeful and confident and always unhappy. What surprised the writer? The writer was greatly surprised to see the difference in Meena's attitude in the past few years. She looked happy and cheerful. The writer thought that was not the same Meena she had known. She seemed to make any number of adjustments. What lesson did Meena learn from her guru, the beggar? जो मीनाचा जो गुरु होता, तो भिकारी, त्याच्यापासून तिने कोणता धडा घेतला किंवा शिकला? From her guru, the beggar, Meena learned how to be happy with the life as it was. She also learned to find happiness in every small things, in every situation, and in every person. Describe an experience where somebody has changed your way of looking at life. When I was 12 years old, I participated in a quiz competition. My partner was much more knowledgeable than me. He was good at math, general knowledge, and even science. My knowledge was limited to literature and music. We lost the quiz competition and I blamed myself for it. When one of our seniors came to know that I was disheartened, she came to talk to me. She told me that I should not be upset with the loss. Instead, I should learn from it and try to do better next time. When I told her that we lost due to my limited knowledge and that everyone else was a lot smarter than I was, she said something that I haven't forgotten till date. She told me that I shouldn't only compete with myself and not others. I should try to be better than before. I measure my achievements with my previous achievements and not with other people's achievements. We are all different and have different talents. If we focus on improving ourselves with each passing day, we will surely do great in life. Her words changed my perspective of life. Since that day, I have stopped comparing myself to others and try to better myself. How did the beggar and his granddaughter enjoy the rain? The beggar and the young girl were playing on the road because there was no traffic. They were laughing, clapping, and screaming joyously as if they were in paradise. Hunger and rain didn't matter. They were totally drenched and totally happy. What did Meena do to show gratitude to her guru? की मीनाने आपल्या गुरुप्रती कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करण्यासाठी काय केलं? Meena sponsored his granddaughter to a boarding school as a mark of respect to him. So activities from English workshop. Complete the following table. Utterances: who said to whom. Sweta is a very beautiful girl, isn't she? Writer to Meena. When a pony is young, he looks handsome. Meena to the writer. It's a beautiful day. The writer to Meena. No, the sun is too hot. Meena to the writer. I'm all excited. It's nice to meet old friends. Meena to the writer. Let's chat. Meena to the writer. State whether the following statements are right or wrong. Correct the wrong ones. The author and Meena were good enemies. So it is a wrong statement. The author and Meena were good friends. Meena was a very cheerful person initially. It is a wrong statement. Meena was forever unhappy. Meena stayed alone in an apartment in Delhi. It is a wrong statement. Meena stayed alone in an apartment in Mumbai. Meena was the second child of her parents. So it is a wrong statement. Meena was the only one child of her parents. The author spotted Meena at Bombay's Flora Fountain. It is a right statement. The beggar and the young girl were playing on the road because there was a lot of traffic. So it is a wrong statement. The beggar and the young girl were playing on the road because there was no traffic. The scene of the beggar and the young girl made Meena peep into her own life. It is a correct statement. The beggar became Meena's role model. It is a correct statement. It took Meena almost 2 years to put the change into effect. It took Meena almost 2 years to put the change into effect. So it is a correct statement. Meena was able to give Guru Dakshina directly to her Guru, the beggar. It is a wrong statement. Meena was not able to give Guru Dakshina directly to her Guru. because he was already died. Choose the correct alternative to complete the sentences. Meena, who is an LIC officer, is a pessimistic person, an optimistic person, a disabled person. The correct answer is Meena is a pessimistic person. The writer was standing near Akbar Ali's a popular department store because she was waiting for her friend Meena. She was waiting for a rain to stop. She wanted to buy something in Akbar Ali. The correct answer, she was waiting for rain to stop. The only thought in the writer's mind till they reached the Grand Hotel was why the rain was not stopping, what had brought about such a change in Meena, and how the beggar had changed the entire life of Meena. The correct answer, what had brought about such a change in Meena. D. Meena sponsored the granddaughter of the beggar because she was alone in her life after his death. It was a token of respect for the beggar. She was rich and so she wanted to help. The correct answer, it was a token of respect for the beggar. की आपल्या त्या गुरुप्रती असलेला आदर व्यक्त करण्यासाठी तिने तिच्या त्या मुलीची काय केली जबाबदारी उचलली. How did the beggar change Meena's attitude? Discuss with your partner and complete the following wave. Beggar's activities that changed Meena's attitude. बेगर आणि त्याच्या मुलीच्या ज्या काही ऍक्टिव्हिटीज आहेत की ज्यामुळे मीनाचं जीवन पूर्णपणे बदललं. They were playing in the rain on the road. Though hungry, they were laughing and clapping. They were completely drenched but totally happy. They were completely drenched and totally happy. So these are the activities that changed Meena's attitude. Write in your own words, how did Meena show her gratitude to her guru? आपल्या गुरुप्रती तिने आपली कृतज्ञता कशा प्रकारे व्यक्त केली. Meena changed her attitude towards life using the beggar as her role model. Unfortunately, by the time she understood things, he was dead, so she sponsored his granddaughter to a boarding school as a mark of respect to him. Why would Meena be sad initially? Give reasons. Pick out sentences from the story which prove that Meena was pessimistic. She was forever unhappy. Whenever the author met her, she would start to feel depressed. Her gloom and cynicism had a way of spreading to others. She never had anything positive to say on any subject or about any person. Meena would be pessimistic. She had the habit of complaining about anything and everything. Find antonyms of the following words from the story. Optimistic, pessimistic. Drizzle, powering. New, old. Lie, truth. Ugly, beautiful. Front, loft. Hell, paradise. Unhappy, happy. Disrespect, respect. Unimportant, important. Go through the points below showing Meena's encounter with the beggar that transformed her completely. The sequence of events is jumbled up below. Arrange the events according to the occurrence. Fill in the number as per sequence. की जेव्हा मीनाची आणि त्या भिकाऱ्याची भेट झाली तिथून मीनाच्या जीवनामध्ये जो काही बदल झाला त्यातल्या काही घटना या ठिकाणी दिलेल्या आहेत. ज्या घटना जंबल ऑर्डरला आहेत म्हणजे खालीवर झालेल्या आहेत आपल्याला त्या क्रमानुसार लावायच्या आहेत. नंबर 1. So the answer is already given. I saw from the window the beggar and the young girl playing on the road. They enjoyed playing in the rain as they were in paradise. On seeing them so very happy, I felt ashamed of myself. I decided to change using the beggars as a role model. It took 2 years to put the change into effect. How did the beggar change Mina's attitude towards life? Write it down in 5 to 6 lines. One is done for. The incident made Mina to look at her own life. She realized that she had many comforts which they had none, but they knew how to be happy with life as it was. She found that she had more grateful for than most other people could only imagine. She felt ashamed of herself. She decided to change her attitude towards her life. Write the summary making Meena the narrator. Begin with I worked in Bangalore in LIC. Sudha was my friend. की आता या ठिकाणी आपल्याला मीनाला स्वतः निवेदक समजून जी काही स्टोरी आहे ती स्टोरी समराइज करायची आहे. जसं I worked in Bangalore as an officer in the LIC. Sudha was my friend. She would always try to tell me something appreciative about the people we knew. Sometimes it was about how someone topped in their school, and sometimes it was about how beautiful someone is. I always told her the fact about the situation. According to me, every good thing eventually led to something bad. People thought of me as a cynic and a pessimistic, but I believed that my perspective of the world was right. I lived alone in an apartment as my parents lived in Delhi. I never really had any visitors. I was later transferred to Bombay and started a new life there. After a few years, I was standing near Akbar Ali's at Bombay's Flora Fountain, waiting for the rain to subside. That's where I spotted Sudha, who was there on an official visit. I invited her for a night stay, but she refused as she had to attend a dinner. I then insisted that she have to tea with me so that we could catch up. She started making excuses about not getting a taxi in the rain, so I told her that we could walk to the hotel. I could see that she was surprised with my attitude and curious to know what turned me from a pessimistic to an optimistic. By the time we reached the hotel, we were drenched. She asked me if a Prince Charming was the reason for the change in me. I was surprised at her question and I told her that wasn't the case. I told her how a beggar changed my life. I could see that she was dumbfounded. I told her about the incident with the old beggar. I used to give leftovers to a beggar and his granddaughter who used to sit outside my house. One day it was raining heavily and I looked outside my bedroom window, cursing the rain for no reason, when I saw the beggar playing on the road with his granddaughter. They were so carefree and happy as if they were in paradise. That's when I realized that even though I had everything, I still lacked one important asset. I found that I had more to be grateful for than most people. That's when I decided to change my attitude towards life, making the beggar my role model. When Sudha asked me whether I gave my guru his Guru Dakshina, I told her that by the time I implemented the changes, the beggar had already died, but I did sponsor his granddaughter to a boarding school as a mark of respect to him. That was my way of giving him Guru Dakshina. पंक्च्युएट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेन्सेस. या वाक्यामध्ये आपल्याला योग्य त्या विरामचिन्हांचा वापर करायचा आहे. डिड यू गिव्ह एनी गुरुदक्षिणा टू युअर गुरु? सो द पंक्च्युएशन्स आर गिवन. सो प्लीज. Number 2. No, there isn't anyone like that, she said. Add suffix to the following words to make nouns forms. Kind, kindness. Happy, happiness. Ignore, ignorance. Assure, assurance. Imagine, imagination. Depute, deputation. Manage, management. Assess, assessment. Make 4 meaningful words by using letters from pessimistic. Pessimistic पासून छोटे शब्द आपल्याला तयार करायचे आहेत. Pessimist, mist, pest, pet, miss and mice. Change into indirect speech. Meena, it's a beautiful day, I said. I told Meena that it was a beautiful day. Hey, I'm really excited. It's nice to meet old friends. What are you doing here? Said Meena. Meena exclaimed with joy that she was really excited and it was nice to meet old friends, and asked what she was doing there. We won't get a taxi in this rain, I grumbled. I grumbled that we would not get a taxi in that rain. So what? We will buy an umbrella and then go to the Grand Hotel, she said. She firmly said that they would buy an umbrella and then go to the Grand Hotel. So friends, thank you very much for watching this video.